Guys, this is the Klein Tools USA 250th anniversary tool set. Now, I've got every piece. I think I've got every piece they make right now. This is the wire strippers. This is the 3-piece screwdriver set. It's the 8-inch diagonal cutter. And I got the 9-inch linesman here. All of them have the red, white, and blue handles. All of them have the laser etched flag on the tool. I'm going to keep these in the package, but on this one, I went ahead and took out because I want to take a look at it. Just a heavy duty. Now, these are the J2000 series pliers. You know, a lot of times when they do these anniversary issues, they'll come up with a, like using a J213, which is a little bit lighter weight than this. They don't have these heavy duty cutting knives in here. You can't cut like steel. You can't cut hardened steel screws and things like that. But with these, this is the J2000 and you can do that. These are the heavy duty lineman pliers here. Let's see, yep. You can see they're already come, just typical of Klein. They're quality. They already come broken in. They're very nice to operate. As you can see here, now it's a little bit weird. Usually when I see these, I don't see this line. You can see a line here. It's almost, it looks like a sticker. I don't think it is, but it looks like a sticker down here, where this does not. Now this does look like it's laser etched on. I'm just wondering if this is some kind of applied sticker. I can feel a little edge right there where this little line is, as you can see that. But anyway, very nice looking. You got your 250 here with your stars on either side. USA, established 1776. This white is all hard plastic, and this is a little bit grippy. It's not as grippy as the other Klein linesman I've had or other Klein's pliers, but it does have a little stippling here where you can really grab a hold of them. I like to do a little, with these, I like to do a little test to make sure the cutters close all the way. Let's take a look at these linemen and see. I'm going to squeeze down. Well, they really tight. They close really tight about the bottom half, and I can see a little bit of light through here on the top half. Very nice though. I mean, they remind me the weight and the size is these like insulated pliers. These are the J2000 also. Now, if you can see here, you see this flag, how it's just laser etched in. You don't see that little line like you do here. So I know this is all laser etched. You can feel it. And I know this is laser etched up here. I'm not so sure about this. I'm going to have to ask Klein about that. In fact, I will be at Klein in a couple of weeks. They've invited me to come tour their factory and talk to their product development team. And I'm going to ask them about it. It's going to be one of the things I ask them. By the way, if you guys got anything you want me to talk to them about, leave me a note in the description or send me an email with my email that's in my description of my channel. Let me know. So these come in, like I said, these three different sets here. Now, when you look at these handles, now this is the wire stripper. This handle is a little bit grippier than this lineman is. I don't know if it's a different type of rubber. It just feels like it's grippier down here. This one is your typical, you know, wire stripper. It cuts from, or strips from 8 to 18 solid and 10 to 20 on your stranded. It's also got 2 holes here, 6 32nd and 8 32nd screws you can cut, and also holes here where you can bend the wire. Now this is your 3-piece set. You got a number 2 square, you got a Phillips and a slotted here. Now, if you look at this, on the slotted is blue, the Phillips is red writing, which says 250 USA, and your square has got silver writing up here where it says 250 USA. These, of course, are all made in the USA. I mean, it would be pretty much sacrilegious if it was not made in the USA. This is your 8-inch right here, your 8-inch diagonal cutters. Same thing, hardened steel. Now, this thing will cut just like this. These are heavy-duty cutting knives. These cut ACSR, screws, nails, and most hardened wire. High leverage design for 36% more cutting power. As you could tell, let me look over here. Maybe you can tell this better. Yeah, I don't know if you can see this, but this knife here, the pivot point stops about a 1/16 of an inch below these cutters. So that's your high leverage part there. And I'm sure these things will really cut well. In fact, I got some 20 amp 12 gauge here. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, it's like butter. I mean butter. These are nice. Okay, so that's it, guys. I don't know what else to say about these. These are just beautiful. I know they're going to go up in value. I didn't even want to take this one out of the pack because I know what these J2000s are like. But I did want to show you guys a little bit closer how these things look. So that's your 250th anniversary. Right now you got 4 pieces out. I'm assuming that's all they're going to be. If I was you, if your budget allows, I would buy these and just put them up, wait 3 or 4 years, and then go on eBay and sell them for a couple $100. Which a lot of these, I know these things are going to be going up in 3 or 4 years because you're not going to be able to get them anymore. You know, there was some Knipex special edition that I did not buy just last year, a year before last, during the Christmas season. I ended up paying double for them because you can't find them anymore. You're not going to be able to find these after this year. Buy them. If you want to use them, that's fine. Or keep them in the package like I'm going to do here because I've already got all of these in different, different versions. And then make you some money later on if you want to. Or I don't know how I would ever let these go. These things are just so beautiful. In fact, this pair, I'm going to go right now and hang them up in my wood shop. And so I'll be able to look at them. I'm going to make sure this USA proudly sitting out where you can see it. So that's it, guys. That is the 250th anniversary from Klein Tools. Just a beautiful, beautiful set of pliers.